Jare, with a decade of unparalleled experience in the production of detection equipment and testing instruments, stands as a leader in delivering high-quality, high-performance solutions. Our commitment to excellence in research, development, and sales has positioned us as a premier manufacturer in the industry. Our strategic partnerships with major companies in the United States have enabled us to provide customized testing instruments that address a wide spectrum of environmental monitoring challenges. Among our innovative offerings is the full-featured air quality analyzer, designed to offer comprehensive insights into air quality with precision and reliability. This analyzer is engineered for professionals who demand detailed. Our low-volume OEM customization options ensure that even smaller orders can be tailored to meet specific requirements, allowing for a product that is both unique and responsive to market demands. To explore the potential of our full-featured air quality analyzer and to discuss how we can integrate our technology into your product lineup, please do not hesitate to contact us. Reach out through the email on my profile page, and let's embark on a partnership that promises innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. Together, we can create solutions that not only meet the stringent standards of professional applications, but also contribute to a healthier environment.